Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how we can implement interface in a class. So let's see this with this example. Now let's create another file called interface class dot ts. Now let's create an interface, say car. Interface car. It has only one color string. As you know, in interface we need to just declare variable and we don't implement here. Implementation will be done by inheriting class or another interface. So now class Mercedes implements car. Here you can see that this class. So if you remember, in when one class was inheriting another class, then we would write extends. But in case of interface, if we inherit the interface or we implement the interface, in that case we use implements keyword. And then you can see here, if you remember our previous video, then I have told you that if any class or another interface agrees to use the interface, then it must agree to its format. That means, as you can see here, it's displaying error because because we must implement color here. So color equals to red. Now the error is gone. So when you implement any interface, then you must implement all its data member, and then size string, and then simply I'll implement size here. Now, constructor. Inside constructor, let's pass parameter, say color, and then size. Then this dot color equal to color. Similarly, this dot size equal to size. Now let's create object, and also let's create a function called display. Display void, then here. So we'll write here console console.log no need of this. Simple one, then this one, and constructor is finished here, and console.log. So this is closing here, and then the function name. Okay, so console.log we'll write here the color of Mercedes is plus color, this dot color, this dot color plus and and the size is plus size. So this dot size. Okay, now let's create object where obj equals to new Mercedes, and we need to pass two parameters here. The first parameter we'll write color, so we'll pass here red. In fact, we don't need to define here string, so it will be red and big. Now obj dot display. Now let's compile it and run. So in this program, the important thing is that we have created an interface, and that interface is being implemented by Mercedes class. And in Mercedes class, if you just remove this one, then it will display error. Just remove this and it will start displaying error. Why? Because the Mercedes class have agreed to comply with the format of interface class. That is why the Mercedes class have implemented the car interface, but it's not complying with this format. So that is why it's displaying error. So as soon as we comply with this format, then the complaint will go. Now let's compile it. TSC 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 interface class dot s. Then node interface dot js. So there is something wrong. Oh, node not interface actually. Interface dot class dot js. Okay. The color of person is red and the size is big. So it's working as expected.